Hello, in my previous video I talked about Ad.fly, how to shorten links with Ad.fly. I talked about Linkvertise, and I equally talk about Stringun.io. In this video I'm going to be talking about three other sites. The first site is clickfly.com. Clickfly.com is another URL shortener that you can actually create an account with and begin to make money online. Clickfly.com has different pay rates depending on the people who click your link from different countries. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Payout Rate. The minimum payout is $3, meaning that if you make just $3 from this platform, you can withdraw your money on a daily basis within 24 hours with a maximum of 7 business days. And this clickfly.com have different payment methods such as Bitcoin, which is recommended. It also have PayPal, which I've created a video on how to create a PayPal account. It also have Paytm. Paytm is only available in India, as you can see. It equally has bank transfer, which is only available in India. You have Payout, UPI, USDT, ATM, Payoneer, and Skrill. I've created a video on how to create a Payoneer account and how to create a Skrill account. I'm going to leave all those videos on the description box below, so that if you make money on clickfly.com, you can equally create your Payoneer account or your Skrill account or your PayPal account, and you begin to withdraw your money from that. These other payment methods, I'm going to make a video on that, how to create account with that. So when I scroll down to the bottom of my screen, as you can see, with 1,000 views from people clicking on your link from Iceland, you make $12.5 both on desktop and on mobile. From Greenland, you make $10 both on desktop and mobile. From the United Kingdom, you make $6.25 and both for desktop and mobile. From the United States, you make $6. From Canada, you make $3.75. From Australia, you make $3.25. From New Zealand, you make $3.2, and the list continue. So you can check out your country from this list right here. So if these are the rates in which they will pay based on 1,000 views from people from these respective countries, and this is how much you will actually make. So you can click on payment proof to see how it has been. So let's go over and click on register. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in this box by filling in my name, my email address, my password. I re-enter my password in order to create an account with clickfly.com. And I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with that. So after you do that, you are just going to verify this robot stuff, and they are going to ask you a series of questions. After your account is created, just go ahead and log into your account. As you can see, I'm logging into my account right here. So after I log into my account, it's going to take me to the dashboard section of my account, where I'll be seeing analytics of everything that is going on with my clickfly.com account and how much I make. And if I make up to $3, I can withdraw it to my PayPal account. So as you can see, this is the dashboard section. With this dashboard section, you can see the total earnings that you get from views and from referrals. For example, when you click on referrals, you can see right here that when you refer people using your referral link, you can earn up to 20% of their earnings. This is my referral link right here. I can copy it and share it with other people, and if they create an account using this referral link, I make 20% of their income, and you see your total earnings on this money wallet section. So I'm just going to click on new shorten link. This is where, and I go over to YouTube and I copy the link of any video. For example, this video have 38 million views. I'm just going to copy the URL. I copy the link right here. I go back to this dashboard section and I paste the link here. When I paste it, I click on shorten in order to shorten the link so that ads should be added. This is the link right here. And this link, when I copy this link, I paste it on Twitter or anywhere people click on it, I'll make money. The second website is Stringun.it. Stringun.it. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the payout rate. This is another shortener, URL shortener. When I click on the payout rate, as you can see, they say we are proud to have the highest rate. Here you are going to see how much you actually be making per 1,000 views that click on your link. For example, if 1,000 people actually click on your link within 24 hours from the US, you make $7.5. From Norway, you make $6.5. From Australia, you make $6.5. From the United Kingdom, you make $6.5, and the list continue. So I'm just going to go ahead and register for an account, show you how to register for an account with Stringun.it. When I click on register, it's going to open up to this section where I need to enter my name, my country, my email address, and I'm going to tell them where I'm going to be pasting these links in order to draw traffic. So I'm just going to fill in my names, my password, my email address, and I'm going to select my email address, and I'm going to select my country from this drop down list. Then what are my main traffic sources? Let me say social media, YouTube, site. They say cite a URL or a YouTube channel. Let me just say my YouTube channel, and I'm going to paste any URL to it. So I'm just going to copy any link and paste here. Then I select an impression 0 to 50,000. Then I enter my WhatsApp number there. Then they say provide a brief description of your traffic source and where you will place these links. I say Twitter, blogs, YouTube descriptions. Then I click on I agree and I continue. So with this side, after you do this and I enter my phone number, they are going to take a number of days to actually go through my application before they will reach out to me whether I am accepted to work with the site. So I'm just going to click on I am not a robot, and I click on sign up. If you already have an account, you can click on sign in, but if you don't have, you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, they say request send. We will review your application and contact you as soon as possible. Thanks. In the meantime, you can join our Telegram group and earn entourage tokens for free. So this is my link to earn these tokens. So the third website is Stringun.com. Stringun earn.com is another link shortener that you can actually shorten links and make money online. When I click on the publisher's rate, you see here they say the minimum payout rate is $4 and it is being paid on a daily basis, and the payment method is PayPal, WebMoney, Payeah, ATM, PaySarah, Perfect Money, and UPI. I have videos on how to do this and I'm going to leave it on the description box below. For example, if 1,000 people actually click on your link from Greenland, 1,000 people from Greenland, you are going to make $20, whether they are clicking it from a desktop or from a mobile phone or from a tablet. You are going to make $20. As you can see, you make $20. If 1,000 people actually click on your link from Iceland, you make $13. If 1,000 people actually click from your link from San Marino, you make $10. If 1,000 people actually click on your link from Gibraltar, you actually make $7. If 1,000 people actually click on your link from the United Kingdom, you make $7, and the list continue and continue and continue. So Stringun.com is one of these online link shortener where you can copy links from any video, shorten it on this website, and you paste it on Twitter, on your blog, or on any site that can draw traffic. And if people actually click on it, this is how much you make per 1,000 click. So I'm just going to click on sign up to sign up for an account. So as you can see, I'm just going to enter my username, my password, and everything. So the process goes the same way you create an account with adstring.com. With clickfly.com is the same procedure that goes with this one. So the procedure is the same procedure. So you can equally make money through referrals, as well as you can make money through clicks from the links that you shorten and you share on different sites. As you can see, this is my referral link right here, and anyone that click on your link and view it, you make $1 or something out of it. So guys, this is how you can make money shortening links. Is the same procedure with adstring.com, clickfly.com, Stringun.com, and all the like. So as I've been explaining, this is the same procedure that you do. So I've explained altogether 6 link shortener on how you can shorten links and make money online. I've talked about Ad.fly, I've talked about adstring.ie, I've talked about Linkvertise, I've talked about Ad.fly, I've talked about Clickfly. So you can work with all these platforms and you make money online. I've talked about Stringun.com. You can make money shortening links. I've also talked about Ad.fly in my previous video. I've talked about stringme.io in my previous video. I've talked about Ad.fly in my previous video. I'm going to leave it on the description box. I've talked about Linkvertise in my previous video. So check the video on the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more. Turn on the notification bell to receive notifications anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.